Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a code in Xero. This is an essential skill for organizing your chart of accounts and keeping your financial records structured and easy to navigate. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero login page where you can access your accounting dashboard. Once you're there, log into your Xero account using your email and password. Make sure you have the correct credentials ready so you can get in smoothly without any delays. After logging in, you'll land on your main Xero dashboard. Now locate the accounting tab from the top part of your screen. This is where all your core accounting functions live, so it's an important area to familiarize yourself with. Click on Accounting, and a drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This will redirect you to a new page. You'll now be on your Chart of Accounts page, where all your accounts in Xero are listed along with their respective type and name. This is essentially the backbone of your financial setup, showing you every account you've configured in the system. Take a moment to review what's already there if you need to. To enter a code for a new account, click on the Add Account button located at the top of the page. This will open a new window titled Add New Account, where you can configure the details for your new entry. This is where the actual work happens, so pay close attention to each field. Start by selecting the account type from the drop-down menu. This categorizes your account properly within Xero's structure. Once you've selected the type, you'll see a field labeled Code. This is the part where you enter the code you want to assign to this account. After entering the code, follow up by adding a name and a brief description for this account. These details help you and your team identify the account's purpose at a glance, so make sure they're clear and accurate. Once you've configured everything and double-checked that all the information is correct, click on Save. Xero will process your entry and add the new account with its assigned code to your chart of accounts. You should see it appear in the list shortly after saving. And that's it. You've successfully added a code in Xero, making your chart of accounts more organized and easier to manage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.